A la 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 long, a la 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 long, 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 long. Come on.
Hi, H-E-L-L-O. Hello, hi, and hello mga langga. This is Sir Fred together with my angels. Welcome to ILONGgo TV. So mga langga, it's almost a month since the last time I uploaded a video in this channel. But because I love you and I miss you guys, so I decided to have another vlog for today. So for today's vlog langga is a travel vlog wherein we will go to Bugsukan Falls located at Sitio Tagbacan, Lambunao, Iloilo. But before that mga langga, let me introduce to you with my angel. So mga langga, please introduce yourselves.
Hello mga langga, Vernon Carosa. Hi mga langga, Renato Ibag.
Okay, so Vernon and Renato. So madami naming mga videos na nagawa namin for past vlogs namin. So time check mga langga, it's 9:11. So siguro almost 2 hours na. Okay, so we will back langga for more updates. Bye-bye! Hi mga langga, I'm back. So time check kita, it's 9:32 in the morning. So yes mga langga, kamusta kami dyan sa likod?
It's okay.
Okay, so ano yung pagkain dinala natin?
Merong baboy, bigas, tapos alibaba, then Cloud9, Royal 1.5, Richie, what's that name? Cracklings,
Yeah. Crackers. Yeah. So aside from that mga langga, aside from traveling, this is also a good gateway for me to let go of the pain of what I am experiencing for these past few days. Sakit siya actually. Like someone broke up with you, like that person means so much to you. So I think this travel vlog is also a good avenue for me to express and of course to let go the pain. Sige lang mo ganyan, like we cannot force anybody to stay. Like there will be times na people will just leave like something like that. Okay, so I'll be back langga. Bye bye. So as you can see mga langga, I am trying to portray that I am happy in this vlog. But you know what, deep inside mga langga, I'm broken to pieces. And all I have to do maybe is just to accept the fact that we are not really meant to be with each other. And siguro I'll just think the days that I am happy with that person, I guess. And maybe this ends our story, like the end of the chapter, and I have nothing to do with that. So I hope that this travel vlog will help me to forget that person, and of course to divert my attention to someone who is better, someone who is there for me till the end of time. And yeah, siguro the lesson that I have learned in this experience, in this relationship, is that we have to be appreciative. We have to value that person as long as you are in that relationship. Like, you have to value that person, because time will come that you will be missing that person when he or she's gone, right? So yeah, I'll be back mga langga for more updates. Bye bye. Hi mga langga, I'm back. Time check, it's 9:52 in the morning. So shout out muna tayo kay BJ Gonzalez. Hi tol, good morning. And sino yung gusto nyo i-shout out while we're traveling?
Shout out wala dyan friend Tiffany Lawrence.
And
Shout out kay Flor Catedrilia and Jana Lastimoso.
hello.
Thank you, Flor. Hello,
Yeah.
Jana.
So and also hi to my ex gali ah. Hi.
Hi, Ex.
I hope that you're okay and that you're in a good situation. Yeah, love you. Still love you. Bye-bye. I'll be back mga langga for more updates. Bye-bye. Hey mga langga, I'm back. Time check, it's 10:02 in the morning. So, nandito kami sa bahay ni Jana, one of my students. So, nagpapahinga-hinga muna kami. Yeah. Wow, sexy. Okay, so, siguro mga 1 hour pa siguro, no? Hindi na. Okay, mga 30 minutes na daw. So, doon na tayo sa may Bugsukan Falls. So, yeah, I'll be back mga langga for more updates. Bye-bye. I'm back. Time check, it's 11:45 in the morning. Yes, we've reached the Bugsukan Falls here at Tagbacan, Lambunao, Iloilo. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so now we're preparing our simple lunch. So baboy lang siya and rice. So ginluto namon sa balay ni Jana. Hi Jana. Okay, so there's just 4 of us. Okay, so what we have to do is we'll just enjoy the nature. Para so sang una sa picture ko lang dyan makita. Now, I'm here at Bugsukan Falls. So, please visit. Panamit siya. Tawhay. Bye-bye. Hi langga, we're back. So, while we are preparing our lunch, maligo kami na yan. Yeah. Mga abs, anay dyan mga abs. Yeah, so we'll be back langga for more updates. Bye. iba ka na nga buho nga doon. Look guys. Gusto kami lugaw diba? Ada itu dah aku apa deh. Hi mga langga, I'm back. So this ends our travel vlog for today here at Bugsukan Falls at Tagbacan, Lambunao, Iloilo. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell, and of course do not forget to like, comment, and share. Again, this is Sir Fred. Saying goodbye.